We are a leading manufacturer of engraved plastic plates, also known as Lamicoid, Rowmark, Gravoply, Traffolyte, stainless steel and aluminum. Whether it is for the implementation of safety procedures in the factory, the franchisation of your equipment, safety warnings in the field of electrical, electrician, plumbing, plumber, or safety signage on the machines you manufacture, Sistana Laser Engraving will meet even your smallest identification needs. For fire safety, firefighters and sprinkler system installers, we have the expertise you need. A few of the identification and signs we produce are evacuation plans, directional signs, emergency exits, emergency instructions, and fire extinguisher location signs. Most of these plates are made of industrial Lamicoid plastics. We produce and laser mark electrical warning plates such as safety instructions, high voltage warnings, identification of electrical panels, electrical wiring diagrams, and other electrical warning plates in the field of electricians. Our clients often ask for these types of plates in the plumbing industry. Stencils to identify pipes with paint, metal tags with chains to hang on tubing, identification plates to stick on main valves and secondary valves, and signs showing the direction of water flow. Please visit our website to see all of our products. Sistana Laser Engraving, let us mark you.